Network.
Ang pinakaenot sa ringkunada. Puon kay do sa gudngunyan. Minaanduyog sa baga na mamanuan. Katuwang para sa kauswagan. Sa mga bareta, patas. Sa impormasyon, public service, enot ka. Malalaoman, katotohanan ang sinasarigan. Inina ang bagong Radyo Ronda. DCKI Iriga Radyo Ronda. Ang maugmang kairiba. Madya na.
RPN Radio Philippines Network Radyo Ronda DCKI Iriga Member Kapisanan ng mga broadcaster ng Pilipinas.
Bicol Connection, mga follow-up kan mga issues na makonektar sa mga tao, asin ahensya kan gobyerno, relevanting informasyon sa likod kan mga bareta. Bicol Connection. Mga reports kan RPN patrols, entrevista, asin serbisyo publiko. Yan kabos ang tabayanan. Bicol Connection. Kada Lunes hasta Biyernes, Bicol Connection. Bicol Connection.
An oras na yan, atod sa Indo ni Mr. Julio Victor Marlo Siguera, President, Siguera Technological Colleges, Iriga City. Para sa edukasyon di kalidad, Siguera Technological Colleges.
That time check was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
Ang porsyon na ini hatod sa Indo kan Mamanang's Halo-Halo with branches in Iriga City, Nabwa, Pili, and Naga City. Ang bahaging ito ay hatid sa inyo ng Kanamo Local Food and Beverage House, San Isidro, Iriga City. Ang porsyon na ini hatod man sa Indo ni Punong Barangay Weden Salvadora. Ang programang ini hatod sa Indo ni Punong Barangay Eduardo Di Maiwang kan Perpetual Health, Iriga City.
Problema ang sasakyan mo? Kulog tayo na, kulog bulsa pa! Pero don't worry amigo, sa Maximus Auto Care Center, ang auto mo ayos tulos. Ang Maximus Auto Care Center may computerized car diagnostics and scanning, mechanical services, body repair, electrical, battery charging, car aircon specialist. Asin nagaako man sinda nin preventive maintenance services para sa gabos na klase nin bihikulo, kabali and fire truck. I-contact lang ang Maximus Auto Care Center sa Nabwa, Balatan Road, Zone 1, Sitio Abaca, San Antonio, Ogbon, Nabwa, Camarines Sur sa 054-884-6509, 0915-096-1993 o sa 0960-563-9766. Email address maximusautocc@gmail.com. FB page Maximus Auto Care Center. Hanapon lang si Mr. Joseph Sim, Chief Mechanic, Maximus Auto Care Center. Maximus Auto Care Center, open from Monday to Saturday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Maximus Auto Care Center is PhilJeps registered.
Be a global achievers with a world-class education and skills. Enroll at Sigara Technological Colleges at Highway 1, Francia, Iriga City. Sigara Technological Colleges offers the following DepEd programs: Senior High School, Grade 11 and 12, Academic Track, Accountancy, Business and Management, ABM Strand, General Academic Strand, GAS, Humanities and Social Science, HUM Strand, Technical, Vocational and Livelihood Track, Automotive Servicing NC1, Automotive Servicing NC2, Computer System Servicing NC2, Electronics Products Assembly and Servicing NC2, Electrical Installations and Maintenance NC2, Masonry NC2, and Tile Setting NC2. CHED programs: Bachelor of Engineering Technology, BAT, Major, Automotive Technology, Electronics Technology, Electrical Technology, Bachelor of Technical Vocational Teacher Education, Major, Automotive Technology, Electronics Technology, Electrical Technology, Food and Service Management, Computer Hardware Servicing, Bachelor of Technology and Livelihood Education, Major, Home Economics, Industrial Arts, Information and Communications Technology, Bachelor of Science in Criminology, Bachelor of Science in Office Administration, Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, Major, Marketing Management, Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. They also have TESDA registered programs: Automotive Servicing NC1, Automotive Servicing NC2, Computer System Servicing NC2, Electronics Product Assembly and Servicing NC2, Driving NC2, Heavy Equipments Operation NC2, Heavy Equipments Operation, Well Loader NC2. Sigara Technological Colleges also offers scholarship program: Sigara Marching Band Scholarship, Sigara Barangay Official Scholarship, cash discounts. They also accept scholarship grant from Tulong Dunong, CHED, Estufa Foster Parents Scholarship, OWA, Provincial Government, Congressional District, TESDA, TWSP, and TESDA, PESFA for freshman students. College admission requirements: bring the original high school report card F138 or SF9, Certificate of Good Moral Character F137, high school graduate or senior high school graduate, Certificate of Live Birth, NSO-PSA photocopy, Certificate of Honorable Dismissal if transferee, transcript of records if transferee, 3 pieces 1x1 picture, 2 pieces 2x2 picture, and 5 pieces passport size picture, and medical exam report. For senior high school entrance requirements: SF9 report card or SF10 Form 137, Honorable Dismissal, PSA, NSO birth certificate, original, Certificate of Good Moral, and Certificate of Completion. So, enroll now. For more information, please see the register or call 299-2224 or 0921-845-9871 or 0917-8830-109 or visit us at www.facebook.com/SigaraGECS or www.facebook.com. The Sigara Technological Colleges. Enrollment is now going on. Classes starts for school year 2023-2024 is on September 4, 2023.
Sa panagos na pag-asigura na ang pirang taon na tiwala sa kalidad kan mga materyales na mababakal sa Ngo & Sons, mantinido, pinagmarhay kan Ngo Brothers na dai na mag-arog sa iba na nagpapabakal nin mga substandard asing undersized na mga bakal arog kan kabilya, angled bars, asing iba pa tasigon sa mga eksperto, nakabarato kaman sa presyo, alagad dai asertado ang siring na mga materyales asin posibleng magdulot pa nin diskwido. Kaya sa Ngo & Sons, ang materyales mo nakasunod sa Philippine standards. Di kalidad, asin sigurado, nasa tamang standards. Asin safe, ang sa imong pamilya, Ngo and Sons. Ang ngaran na matitiwalaan, poon kadto, sad kun ngunyan.
Maging handa, may El Nino man o wala. Magtanong nin short gestation o short cycle crops arog kan munggo, mani asin soybean. Ibuwan ang crop rotation method para makalikay sa mga peste. Magtipon nin tubig uran. Maglaag nin mulch sa palibot kan tanom gamit ang ata o bunot nin nyog. Ipa-ensure ang tanom sa PCIC para makalikay sa pagkalugi. Maapektuhan man kan sobrang init ang sa indong mga pananom.
Sarong serbisyo publiko kan Department of Agriculture sa Bicol.
This time check is brought to you by Olympio C. Nivalio Custom Brokerage OPC Unit 206-C Regina Building 410 Escolta, Manila. Service offered: customs brokerage, tariff consultancy, tracking, domestic and international freight forwarder, non-vessel operating common carry.
Para sa bado na kabloom sa hamot, pruba na ang Charm Fabric Conditioner.
Charm Fatball, bangong gumagabloom. Charm Fatball, gamit ay may bango ng salibong bulaklak.
Charm Fabric Conditioner. Iguaning Stay Fresh Technology. Bado mo, kabloom sa hamot.
Charm Fatball, bangong gumagabloom. Charm Fatball, gamit ay may bango ng salibong bulaklak.
Charm Fabric Conditioner. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Si Mommy at si Washing Machine believe sa Pride Washing Machine Detergent.
Hello, Washi!
Hello, Mommy!
Laundry day na naman! Ready ka na sa mancha, chocolate, putik, libag?
Kaya yan ang Pride Washing Machine Detergent. May triple stain-away formula. Tanggal ang makapit, malikit, at malupit na dumit mancha. Easy ang labada.
Mula noon hanggang ngayon!
All you need is pride. All you need is pride.
Pride Detergent, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Sa panahon ngayon, kau ba'y sigurado? Kau ba'y protektado? Ang pamilya ay i-shield mo.
Laban sa bakterya.
I-shield mo.
Laban ng pati virus.
I-shield mo.
Shield Bath Soap. Patay ang 99.9% of bacteria and virus tested. Bilib ang mga eksperto sa Philippine Nurses Association.
Sa sakit protektado.
I-shield mo.
Pamilya protektado.
I-shield mo.
Shield Bath Soap. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Mula sa #1 Smart Dishwashing Paste.
Ang galing-galing mo! Smart dishwashing paste ko! Pritong ulam na masebo, plato o kaldero. Tanggaling for everyday.
Ganyan pag Smart ang dishwashing paste. May double tanggaling formula. Tanggal galing ang sebo at bakterya.
Pahit para walang bahid, linis fantastic sa metal at plastic. #1 ko to! Tanggaling-galing mo! Smart dishwashing paste!
Heavy duty linis bawat pahid.
Smart Dishwashing Paste. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS. Star Wax, Star Wax, Wax. Star Wax, Star Wax, Wax. Always remember, sa paglinis, pakintabin ang sahig. Mrs. Star Wax, Star Wax, Wax. Kita na to the max.
Star Wax ang #1 floor wax. Ugwaning waterproof formula. Ulaan man ang tubig, balikin taban sa lug.
Star Wax, Star Wax, Wax. Kita na to the max, max, max.
Star Wax Floor Wax. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Para di madaling masira ang ngipin ng pamilya, ngayon pa lang,
Unique toothpaste for brushing every after kumain.
dahil ang unique toothpaste, may Max Protect formula.
Ngipin ay Max Alaga. Max Protektado pa.
Helps stop cavities even before they start, while keeping breath fresh with regular use.
Unique toothpaste for brushing para siguraduhin ngipin ay Max Alaga. Max Protektado pa. Unique.
Max Alaga, Max Protectado with unique toothpaste maximum fluoride protection. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS. Boom, papaya, white rose papaya, yeah, yeah, yeah. Boom, puti ka in 7 days, oh yeah, 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 yeah. White rose papaya.
New White Rose Papaya.
papaya. Iguaning double whitening can papaya extract as in vitamin B3. Clinically proven man magpaputi in as early as 7 days with regular use. Puti ka, White Rose Papaya. Yeah, 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 yeah. Papaya puti, papaya fast. White Rose Papaya with vitamin B3. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified world-class quality. ACS.
Masakit ba ang iyong ulo at katawan dahil sa sobrang trabaho at iba't ibang stress sa buhay? Sandali, mag-break ka muna. Hindi lang simpleng break, mag-Herbalaya break ka muna. Hinga ng malalim at imasahe ang ulo at katawan gamit ang Herbalaya Liniment Oil. Sa sakit ng ulo at katawan, dito na tayo sa subok na, dekalidad at siguradong ligtas. Herbalaya, amoy na kaaya-aya, sa bawat pahid ay ginhawa. Mabibili sa mga botika at grocery stores sa inyong lugar. Also available in roll-on and cream.
RPN Radio Philippines Network. Radyo Ronda. DZKI Iriga. Member, kapisanan ng mga broadcaster ng Pilipinas.
I found the strength